Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to Uniswap. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Look for the browser or D-Apps icon at the bottom. Tap on it to open the decentralized application browser. Then, in the search bar at the top, type uniswap.org and press Enter. This will take you directly to the Uniswap exchange interface. Once on the Uniswap website, you'll see a Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner. Tap this button. A list of wallet options will appear. Select Wallet Connect as your connection method. From the next prompt, choose Trust Wallet to establish the secure link. Your Trust Wallet will then confirm the connection, ensuring your funds are safe. Now that your wallet is connected, you can perform a swap. Select the token you want to trade from the From field. Then, choose the token you wish to receive in the To field. Enter the amount you want to swap. Review the transaction details, including any gas fees, which are typically a small percentage. Finally, confirm the swap within your Trust Wallet. For your safety, always double-check that you are on the official uniswap.org website before connecting your wallet. Be mindful of network fees, also known as gas fees, which can fluctuate. These fees are necessary for processing transactions on the blockchain. After you finish your trades, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from Uniswap to maintain security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.